Okay, here we have y equal -6 cosine, then we've got in our brackets 2, and then in parentheses x plus pi over 4. So the interesting thing about this one is it has the coefficient 2, it has that factored out of both of those terms. So it's actually in a form where we can just recognize things if we understand it. So first of all, we look at the front here to decide the amplitude, and remember that it's the absolute value of that because it's how far away it gets from the baseline, and that's going to be 6. The period is going to be 2 pi over this number here, 2. That's our omega, and so that's going to be pi. And then the phase shift, if we already have the coefficient of x factored out here, we look here, the phase shift is going to be the opposite sign of this number right here. It's going to be negative pi over 4. But it still works to take what is sitting inside of the cosine, which is this stuff, and put it equal to 0 and solve it. That would always give us the phase shift, whichever form it's in. If you divided both sides by 2, you still have 0 there, so x plus pi over 4 is 0, so our phase shift is going to be negative pi fourths.